The Bengal government has passed the anti-rape bill in assembly. The Aparajita bill proposes a maximum punishment of death penalty for rapists. BJP has backed the bill, putting the ball in Mamata's court for implementation. This makes Bengal the first state to amend the central laws pertaining to rape and crimes against women.
Amid massive outrage and continuing protests over the young Kolkata doctor's rape and murder, Bengal Assembly unanimously passed anti-rape bill brought in by the Mamata Banerjee government. Called Aparajita Woman and Child Bill, provides for the death penalty for rape and sexual offences of convict. The bill also proposed 3-year jail for disclosing victims' identity and vows to establish fast-track courts for rape cases. Calling it historic, Chief Minister Mamata said the bill was a tribute to the 31-year-old trainee doctor who was raped and murdered at RG Kar Hospital.
যে মেয়েটি নির্যাতিত হয়েছে তার জন্য আমি শোক জ্ঞাপন করছি। যে সমাজে মেয়েরা ভালো থাকে না সে সমাজ কখনো ভালো থাকতে পারে না। প্রধানমন্ত্রী আপনি দেশের লজ্জা।
While tabling the bill, Mamata Banerjee also listed rapes in BJP states, asking Saffron Party to first serve justice to rape victims in states ruled by it.
আজ থেকে 4 বছর আগে 2020-এ এই সেপ্টেম্বর মাসেই হাতরাসের ঘটনা, যেখানে একটি দলিত মেয়েকে গণধর্ষণ করা হয়, বিচার তো পায়নি, সেও বাঁচেনি। বিভিন্ন রাজ্যে চলছে একের পর এক ঘটনা, এটা গ্লোরিফাই করার নয়।
While the BJP backed the bill in assembly, it described it a move to distract mass focus and sought its implementation on the ground.
নতুন কিছু নয়, আন্দোলন থামাও, সরকার বাঁচাও। This is the actual motto, aim and object of the state government.
That the bill as settled in the assembly be passed. As many other of the tribunal, please say aye.
With this bill, Bengal has become the first state to bring in amendments to central laws dealing with offences of rape, gang rape and sexual crimes. With Indrajit Kundu in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.